In the quiet hours of the night, when the world lay shrouded in darkness, and the echoes of past battles seemed to linger in the air, the haunted battlefields of old became a stage for the spectral remnants of wars long past. Among the fields where brave soldiers once fought and died, the ghosts of war still roamed, their presence a chilling reminder of the horrors of conflict. One such battlefield, known as the Field of Valor, bore witness to some of the bloodiest clashes in history. Here, the ground was soaked with the blood of countless fallen soldiers, their restless spirits condemned to wander the earth for all eternity. A group of curious explorers, drawn to the legends of the haunted battlefield, ventured into the fields of valor one moonlit night, their footsteps muffled by the overgrown grass and crumbling ruins that dotted the landscape. Among them were Ethan, a history enthusiast with a fascination for the macabre; Olivia, a skeptic who scoffed at the idea of ghosts; and Liam, a thrill seeker hungry for adventure. As they walked along the silent graves and shattered remnants of war, the air grew heavy with an oppressive silence, broken only by the distant howl of the wind and the faint rustle of leaves. Ethan, his eyes alive with excitement, regaled his companions with tales of the battles that had once raged across the fields, each story more chilling than the last. But Olivia remained unconvinced, her skepticism unyielding even in the face of the eerie atmosphere that surrounded them. Ghosts aren't real, she insisted, her voice tinged with annoyance. This is just a bunch of superstition and nonsense. Liam, ever the optimist, laughed off Olivia's skepticism, his bravado masking a hint of unease. Come on, Liv, he said, his tone light-hearted. Where's your sense of adventure? Don't you want to see if the legends are true? As they ventured deeper into the fields of valor, the shadows seemed to grow darker, the air colder, as if the very earth itself mourned the fallen souls who lay buried beneath its surface. Ethan led the way, his eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of the supernatural, while Olivia remained stubbornly skeptical and Liam reveled in the thrill of the unknown. Suddenly, a chill swept through the air, and the group felt the temperature drop sharply. Olivia shivered, pulling her jacket tighter around her shoulders, while Ethan's excitement grew with each passing moment. And then, in the distance, they saw it, a ghostly apparition, its form flickering in and out of existence, like a candle flame in the wind. Ethan gasped in awe, his breath catching in his throat as he watched the spectral figure draw closer. But Olivia remained unmoved, her skepticism unshaken even in the face of the supernatural. It's just a trick of the light, she insisted, her voice steady despite the unease that gnawed at her insides. Liam, caught between his excitement and Olivia's skepticism, hesitated for a moment before tentatively stepping forward. Let's see where it leads, he suggested, his voice tinged with uncertainty. And so, with Ethan leading the way, the group followed the ghostly apparition deeper into the haunted battlefield, their footsteps echoing in the stillness of the night. As they walked, the air seemed to grow thicker and the darkness pressing in around them like a suffocating blanket. And then, just as suddenly as it had appeared, the apparition vanished into thin air, leaving the group standing alone in the darkness of the fields of valor. Olivia's skepticism wavered for a moment, replaced by a hint of uncertainty, while Liam's excitement gave way to a sense of awe and reverence. As they stood in silence, the echoes of past battles seemed to rise from the earth, their whispers carried on the wind like a mournful lament for the fallen. And in that moment, the group realized that while the ghosts of the war may be invisible to the naked eye, their presence lingered in the haunted battlefields of old, a testament to the sacrifices of those who had come before. As the group stood in the midst of the haunted battlefield, they felt a profound sense of reverence wash over them, mingled with a lingering unease. The echoes of the past seemed to surround them, whispering tales of valor and tragedy that had long since faded into the annals of history. Ethan, his eyes alight with wonder, stepped forward to examine the spot where the ghostly apparition had vanished. He knelt down, running his fingers over the cool earth as if searching for some clue to unravel the mystery of the battlefield's haunting. Olivia watched him, her skepticism giving way to a sense of curiosity. Despite her earlier doubts, she couldn't deny the airy atmosphere that permeated the air, nor the inexplicable presence they had witnessed moments before. Liam, ever the adventurer, scanned the horizon for any sign of movement, his senses on high alert for any further encounters with the supernatural. But the battlefield remained silent and still, as if holding its breath in anticipation of what was to come. As they stood in the darkness, a sudden gust of wind swept through the battlefield, sending chills down their spines. Ethan looked up, his eyes wide with excitement as he pointed towards a distant hill shrouded in mist. "Look," he whispered, his voice barely audible over the howling wind. "There's something up there." The group followed his gaze, their hearts pounding in their chests as they strained to make out the shadowy figure that loomed on the hilltop. It stood motionless, its form obscured by the swirling mist, but there was no mistaking the sense of dread that washed over them like a tidal wave. Without a word, they began to climb the hill, their footsteps echoing in the stillness of the night. As they drew closer to the figure, they could see that it was not alone. Other spectral forms began to materialize around it, their ghostly presence sending shivers down their spines. With each step, the air seemed to grow colder, the darkness pressing in around them like a vice. But still, they pressed on, driven by a mixture of fear and fascination that compelled them to uncover the secrets of the haunted battlefield. And then, just as they reached the summit of the hill, the mist parted, revealing the full extent of the haunting before them. The battlefield stretched out before them, a sea of ghostly apparitions, locked in eternal combat, their anguished cries echoing in the night. For a moment, the group stood transfixed, unable to tear their eyes away from the haunting spectacle before them. And then, as suddenly as it had appeared, the mist closed in once more, shrouding the battlefield in darkness and silence. As they made their way back down the hill, the group knew that they had witnessed something truly extraordinary, a glimpse into the world beyond the veil of the living, where the ghosts of war lingered on, forever trapped in the haunting embrace of the battlefield. And as they disappeared into the darkness of the night, the echoes of the past followed them, a haunting reminder of the sacrifices made and the lives lost in the name of honor and duty. For in the haunted battlefields of old, the ghosts of war would forever roam, their presence a chilling testament to the horrors of conflict and the enduring power of the human spirit.